Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. If this instead is the first time you stumble here, this is the channel of the Italian guy. In this channel you can find recipes of traditional recipes converted in keto whenever it is possible. Video blogs of my trips around the world. I love traveling and I like to document the places where I go. And once in a while I buy some technological gadget and I like to review it. Today there is no recipe, traditional recipe converted in keto, but a new one, so to say, keto noodles, chicken keto noodles, or chicken keto spaghetti, if you want to use the Italian term for the famous pasta worldwide. I don't want to talk too much, let's go straight into the video recipe. So we need 200 grams of chicken breast, some spices to marinate, and this is optional, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. So I cut the chicken to make the life easier to my blender. Now I'm adding some herbs to marinate the meat and let it taste better. That's garlic powder, some oregano, thyme, majoran or majoran, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin oil. They really make the difference. If you want to add some salt or a touch of lemon, I didn't. It's just up to you. That's the way I marinate the meat. Okay, now we put the blender on. We switch the blender on. Okay, so you see it's just kind of very soft dough. 1 hour in the fridge to marinate. So we let the meat absorb the spices. I put a piping bag upside down in the thing or the blender. Now the smallest you make the hole, the thinnest the spaghetti will be. Later in the video you will see I created another shape, bucatini. They are thicker spaghetti because I cut a larger hole on the piping bag. Okay, the water is boiling. Don't forget to add salt. Just squeeze the dough inside the boiling water, and the length is up to you. Just cut when you when you want to cut, as I did. And when they float on the top, the video is speeded up. When they float to the top like the gnocchi, they are ready to be taken out. You see? And now you can see a larger spaghetti. It's called bucatini. I just made the hole bigger on another piping bag, and I kept squeezing. And like to say, the dough didn't crack. It kept, even though I didn't put the psyllium husk. And go on until you complete all the dough in the piping bag. So here we are. The recipe was really quick. If you do not consider the 1 hour time to marinate the meat, but I highly suggest you to do that because it gives flavor to the meat. And to make this recipe fully keto, because we know that in keto we have it on the first place the fat, then the protein, and then the carbs, the carbohydrates. You could add an egg every 200 grams of chicken breast. So to make this recipe fully keto, we can benefit from the fat from the egg. Or you could add a touch of fiber with a tablespoon of psyllium husk. I didn't, but let me know if you do it, because it gives the pasta, so to say, the spaghetti, a touch of fiber. You can add some dressing, of course, because the spaghetti alone, the chicken spaghetti alone, they definitely taste of chicken. So you can cover this taste if you add some dressing on your own, of your choice. In Italy we used to cut the ham in tagliatelle shape, fry it into the butter, and then you can add the chicken spaghetti inside just for a couple of minutes. And then I assure you, because I tried it with pesto, the dressing covers the whole taste of of meat, of chicken. Try it and let me know if you do that in the comments below. If you like the video, please subscribe and activate the bell so you can get all the notifications about new uploads in the channel. If you like the video as well, please share with your friends on your Facebook wall, Twitter, whatever, Instagram. Help me to grow because I want to reach 5,000 followers and the way is still long. That's it. Let me know if you like the video, the recipe, and see you next time. Bye.